Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add hashtags on your YouTube channel videos. So firstly sign in your YouTube studio, then click on content. So here guys you will see a list of videos. So if you want to add hashtag on your previous published videos, so just click on this pair icon. Now guys you can add hashtag in title and also description. To add hashtag in title, just move cursor to any word, then type hash like this, and in your description, so I will create hashtag from title. So in the last you type hash and make sure you want to create hashtag, so remove spaces. Like first hashtag is how to, second one is disable bookmarks, and third one I will create Firefox. So we have this three hashtag now for this video. Then click on save. So like this guys, you can add hashtag in your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.